Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you want to see how I made this dip conditioner, then please keep on watching. So I use this 36-in-1 oil, which you'll find the link in my description box below. It contains oils such as almond, aloe vera, grapeseed, coconut oil, garlic cloves, etc. that are very good for your natural hair. The next ingredient is honey, which has emollient and humectant properties that adds moisture to the hair follicles and penetrates the hair shaft and restores shine and increases moisture. I also like to use avocado, which contains amino acids and saturated fats, which moisturizes and strengthens the hair. I use mayo, which contains protein, vitamins, and fatty acids that strengthens the hair, deep conditions it, and promotes hair growth. And of course, don't forget a kettle that I use to melt the honey. So yeah, you can see me putting the kettle on. The honey is frozen because of course it's winter, so everything freezes up in the cold. I put in the hot water now, and yeah, I just let that sit for a short while. I have very little mayo, which was a problem for me, but I had to deep condition my hair since it was so dry. This is when I already put all my ingredients in, and this was the mayo I had left. So I stupidly went to put in hot water in the mayo, which was a bad idea. It made my deep conditioner very runny and liquidy. So next time I'll make sure I have enough mayo in the house before I try to make my homemade deep conditioner. But let me tell you guys, this conditioner works really good for my low porosity hair. Yuck, you can see how it looks. All the fats clumped together. This was not a very smart idea on my part. I was trying to be very frugal, but yeah, it didn't pay off in the end. But anyways, in the end, I deep conditioned my hair. So here I'm turning in the liquid from what I gathered, and I blended it in my food processor. I added some amount of oil, and don't forget tea tree oil also. I did add tea tree oil, which is good for your scalp, the overall health of your scalp. So I added like 3 tablespoons of this oil, and then I added my honey, which was already melted. I carefully opened this because, as you can see, it was swollen and looked like it was going to bust. So I just put in everything in there. It looked like I think about 3 spoons of honey. That's what I put, but I don't really measure. I just add in all my ingredients that I know are very moisturizing, and I blend together with my oils, and this is the final product. Now, the most important step of your homemade deep conditioner is making sure that you filter this in. Yeah, you can see what I'm using. If you don't filter it, then you end up with clumps on your hair strands, and you don't want that from the avocado, and it's going to be horrible to get out. So make sure you filter the clumps out of the conditioner, so that you will be left with a very smooth consistency. And yeah, it will be easy to get the conditioner out of your hair. And if you're someone that is bothered about smell, then this might not be something for you. Or maybe you could add some 9-scenting oil to this deep conditioner. But in the end, this is how it looked. It was really runny, but I still used it for my hair anyway, but I had to stay in the bathroom. And that's because I didn't want to get the deep conditioner everywhere because it was really runny. But anyways, thanks for watching my video, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.